In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a website using Wix. This process is quick, simple, and perfect for getting your site up and running in just 5 minutes. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the official Wix website. This is your starting point and where all the magic begins. You can do this by typing wix.com into your browser's search bar and hitting enter. Once you're there, you'll see a vibrant, inviting homepage that welcomes you to the world of website creation. If you're new to Wix, this is where you'll begin your journey. Next, you'll complete the sign-up process, or if you're already a member, just log in. It's pretty straightforward. Click on the Sign Up button if you need to create an account. You'll be prompted to enter some simple details like your email and a new password. For those who prefer quicker options, you can also sign up using your Google or Facebook accounts. If you're logging in, just enter your existing details and you're good to go. Once logged in, you will be presented with options to either design a site or add a new one. Look for the Design Site or Add New Site button on your dashboard. Clicking this will take you to the next exciting phase of creating your site. It's about to get creative. At this point, you'll choose from an array of beautifully designed templates. Wix offers a plethora of templates across various categories, from business, fashion, and art to technology and more. Spend a few moments exploring the categories and choose a template that suits your vision. Remember, the template sets the foundation, but it's how you make it yours that counts. With your template chosen, it's time to customize your website. This part is about adding your personal touch. You can adjust colors, fonts, and images, and add text to fit your brand or personal style. Wix offers a friendly drag-and-drop editor, making it super easy to customize your site with no coding skills required. Take your time here to make sure your website reflects exactly what you envision. If you're aiming for a more professional look, consider connecting a custom domain. Maybe you already own a domain name, or you'd like to register one through Wix. Connecting a custom domain gives your site a polished, branded web address. This is especially useful if you're looking to establish a strong online presence. Finally, it's time to preview and publish your site. Do a thorough check, ensuring all elements look great and function correctly. When you're happy with the result, hit that Publish button with pride. Your Wix website is now live for the world to see. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to host your very own Wix website. Hosting a site with Wix is an empowering experience, simple, efficient, and creative. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new site.